forces in the world that are hell-bent on the destruction of everything you and I hold dear. Don't be their victim. Go to mypatriotsupply.com before it's too late. mypatriotsupply.com.
You're listening to the Dan Bongino Show on the Bay Area's home for conservative talk on your radio and smart speaker at 560 KSFO.
How'd you like the potential to participate in credited interest on market indexed returns and limit the downside? Join Edmund Brown for the Safe Money Radio Show. Call Edmund Brown for your complimentary Safe Money Radio Kit and Safe Money Radio book at 1-844-306-SAFE.
Heart failure, carpal tunnel syndrome, shortness of breath, stomach issues, lower back pain. How does it all add up? If you have heart failure and any of those seemingly unrelated symptoms sound familiar, it's time to talk with your cardiologist and get the full picture. They may add up to transthyretin amyloid cardiomyopathy. ATTRCM is a rare and underdiagnosed disease. Recognize the signs and discuss them with your doctor soon. Learn more at connectwithyourheart.com. That's connectwithyourheart.com. Sponsored by Pfizer.
This seems to be the time of unprecedented, uncertain, and unbelievable are the words that have become part of our new normal.
And if you're retired, about to retire, or lost your job, you can add unfair to the list.
At O'Donnell Financial Group, they see differently. For O'Donnell Financial Group, it means unyielding, uncompromising, and most of all, unbreakable.
It defines who we are as a nation, a community, and the ODFI Group commitment to help guide you through this time.
They were here before the crisis, they will be here after it's a distant memory, and most importantly, they're here now to help you any way they can.
It doesn't matter if you're a current client or not. If you have questions about your financial plan, they're here to help provide answers.
You can download one of their complimentary books or guides online, and if you just need the reassurance of a second opinion, they're here for that too.
Call Greg O'Donnell at 866-496-2300 to schedule a complimentary phone or virtual meeting. That's 866-496-2300, or go online to o'donnellfinancialgroup.com. That's o'donnellfinancialgroup.com. Investment advised offered through O'Donnell Financial Services, LLC, registered investment advisor.
Paid for by Christian Care Ministry.
You know, if you feel like you're stuck with a healthcare plan that isn't affordable, or you simply just don't like how it works, well, right now, during open enrollment is a perfect time to switch to Medishare. The typical family saves $500 a month when they join Medishare, and what's more, they like it. Medishare has double the customer satisfaction rate compared to the industry. That's double. And Medishare is the most trusted name in healthcare sharing. It's been around for 30 years. It's shared more than $4 billion in healthcare bills. And here's why now is the perfect time to make the switch. If you join Medishare Complete by January 1st, they will waive your new membership.